Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abdullah and Salim bin Abdullah reports that they submitted to their father. Nafi states that some of the sons of Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu submitted to him, "You may not go to perform Umrah this year, as we fear that you will not reach the Kaaba." He said, "We set out in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the year of Hudaybiyah, and the infidels amongst the Quraysh intervened and they prevented us from visiting the Kaaba. So the Prophet ﷺ slaughtered his sacrificial animals and got his head shaved. Moreover, his companions got their heads shaved too. He, Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu, then said, "Be witness that I have enjoined myself Umrah, so I will perform Umrah if they will not intervene between me and Allah's house. And if they intervene, I will do the same what Allah's Apostle ﷺ did in the year of Hudaybiyah." He proceeded for a while and then said, "I think rules of Hajj and Umrah are nearly the same. So you should be witness to that I have enjoined both Hajj and Umrah on myself." So he circumambulated only once around the Kaaba and marched once between Safa and Marwa till he took off the ihram of the both on the 10th of Zulhajj, Hajj and Umrah. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4185.